Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Tuesday morning, September 25th, with your grain market morning commentary. Currently, grains are a little higher across the board. Corn's trading 3.5 better right now. Soybeans are up about 12, 13 cents, and wheat's up about 3 cents. In the outside markets, it's risk on. So, hey, from day to day, risk on, risk off, that contributes to this volatility we see in the markets. Is the economy slowing down on a global scale or not? China keeps giving us signs that things are slowing down. The Eurozone has its problems. And hey, here in the U.S., we have a weak job market. We have a weak housing market. And, there's definitely a lot of uncertainty. So the grains are not immune to this volatility either. Now, we have a big crop report coming out Friday, the quarterly stocks report. And the market is probably going to calm down a little bit ahead of that. We've been through a big correction now, and the question is it just a correction, or did we put a temporary top in? Right now we have a lot of supply hitting the market. We're going through harvest. It's making good progress, and for the time being at least, it doesn't seem like we need to ration right here, right now. We'll get down the road a little bit and see if demand picks up, and then we'll feel more of a need to ration. But hey, demand for the soybeans is still there, especially on this big dip that the market's gone through. Lower prices bring demand back to the marketplace, and there are some bargain hunters out there. A lot of talk about China buying on this dip. So really nothing's changed fundamentally. The supplies are still very tight, and we don't see that kind of demand in the corn as we do in the soybeans, but we can't really let the prices get too cheap until we start to rebuild our stocks. So again, we have a big report on Friday. This is something that a lot of traders are probably going to try and get flat. Maybe this little bounce in the market right now is a bit of a short covering rally. Yesterday we did see the weekly update on crop progress, crop conditions. Soybean crop condition improved from 33% good to excellent to 35. Now, obviously, the late rains in August were able to improve that crop a little bit. Nothing can be done for the corn. That supply remains very tight, and that crop doesn't seem to get any bigger. Soybean crop may be getting a little better yield than what we originally projected, but again, the demand is very strong. So longer term, I think that prices will move higher than where we are right now. In the meantime, it's very difficult to determine how much further this correction goes or exactly when it turns around. That's all I have time for now. Please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. My number is 800-826-4124. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.